just cleared up, ready to leave, all complete in this one now. Little 7 kilowatt Vaillant has gone in. Just got to come back and put the vents on the freeze valves and seal the top. D2 from the cylinder all fitted in. Flame return, come in here, filter, insulated primary pipe work, down to the diverter valve, future feeds in for underfloor heating, existing heating system is installed, hot, cold feed in, D2 runs off internally, down there. All the control panel, wiring centre, my Vaillant Connect, all up and running. So yeah, pretty good stuff.